Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today the 2020 Iveco Daily, stock number 7154. It's ran from the first 2017 to the current shape. There's a F1C 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is the F1C 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard, left front 16-inch steel wheel tyre, left rear 16-inch steel wheel tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate doors, right hand has light fold, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel wheel tyre, right front door no dents, right front 16-inch steel wheel tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, front courtesy light, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,